So we arrived in Mumbai at 5:25 a.m. and as a result, we decided that for the 45 hours layover, it is best to book a room. I chose Marriott Fairfield. It is close to the airport, and which means it's easily accessible. So this is a room tour of the Marriott Hotel Fairfield in Mumbai, India. Enjoy. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If this is your first time watching this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome to the channel. So this is a little capsule of the lobby area. As you can see, the bison, the bull stands out. Then we head up to our room. The guy that is, our bellman, he is Michael, and Michael is so helpful and kind. Honestly, the staff at Marriott, A1. I cannot say less. And I guess maybe it's a Marriott tradition because Marriott Jamaica is just as awesome. We're booking this room for 2 nights and the cost is $94. 94 US dollars, and this is what you can get in Mumbai, India. So an entrance, this is the little coffee station as expected, 2 bottles of water, cups, tea stuff, but traditional tea from India. So this is a little close up, and we also got a kettle. The water brand is clear and it was crystal. Okay guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe before you go. Next up, we have 2 glasses, of course, and the Fairfield banner is loud everywhere you go inside of this hotel. There is branded stuff. I love this. Got some coffee seeds. I'm an addict. I need to work on that. But that was really good. I like the little touch that they add. And then there's a safe underneath. Directly underneath that there's a safe, and then directly below that there is a nice little Frigidaire fridge. That was nice little touch. It could hold quite a few bottles of water and probably some juice to keep chill while you're there. As I said, this is Marriott, JW Marriott Fairfield, and it is close to the airport. It was easily accessible and it was really nice and luxurious. I love it. Next up, this is the closeted area. I had some struggle opening the door, but then I finally got to it. So this is a closet area. It comes fitted with a iron board, got 2 bedside slippers, and of course, as I said, everything is branded. Love it. Hangers also included. I really like that, and the people them spend them time and nice up the place, right? So I had some, as I said, I had some challenge opening the closet. All right, so by the time I was shooting this video, we already right inside of the hotel, so we kind of mess up a little bit of stuff. But anyways, next up we have this long mirror from ceiling to floor, and I love a nice long mirror. So when you get dressed, you can look in it and say, yeah, this is the bathroom, and the bathroom comes equipped with everything that you expect a bathroom to have. This is the little sink. Look on the brand. Yes, nice water pressure, nice. Then I have this mirror, cute. There's a outlet out here. You can use to turn on the light. For some reason it didn't work, but anyways, hang on. All right, there we go. Never turn on the main switch. All right, so this is the bathroom, and what I love about it is this. Look at this mirror. I love it. It turning. I love this. And then adjacent to that is the shower. I'm not going there yet. I'm going to take a bed door, but I'm going to tour the bathroom while it's nice and clean. And alright, so this is the shower area. The place look really clean. I'm not telling you, I look immaculate, like a clean good. Yeah. And on a rain shower, what can work with. And we get some shampoo and conditioner, body wash, of course. And the brand that I'm seeing throughout the hotel is this brand, Ignis. Looks good. Looks okay. Oh, I can remove a firewall. Cha. Alright, so, and then there's a little drain under there. There's a little seat right here if you want to rest and take a steam. I assume I am not seeing where I can get hot water or cold water, but you don't know. That is it for the shower area. Again, another look at the shower area. It is not big, but you know, little either. It is a smack right in the middle, so it's not too big, not too little. Really cute, loving it. So we below the sink. Oh, this is so cute. I think this is like standard modern build for most hotels now. There's a shower cap, there's a comb. I love this. This what? Shaving kit. Ooh, shaving kit. Dental kit, two of them, and then we have towels. Of course, this is really nice. I love this setup. Next up, the toilet. All right, so this is the toilet area, and this is the brand toilet. Comes with a tissue for persons from that side who, you know, we are used to using our tissue, but it also comes affixed with the bidet. Okay, and it's dual flush. Love that. And then they incorporated this blue green tile in the background to just, you know, it ties everything together. So this is a final glance, and then we have a little trash can in the corner. So it's a floating toilet, and this is what the bathroom look like. Final glance at the bathroom, guys. I'm not gonna lie, for $94 for the 2 night, must score big. There's my sugar, my juju, sugar day warm. Oh, thermostat. All right, so look at this, guys. This is the big screen TV. As I said, we have already kind of like put our stuff out, so don't pay attention to our junk, but look at this. This is so beautiful. I love this. It's a wall, but it is hard. This is really cute. Love this. Then I already brought down the blinds so that, you know, the glare from outside will not affect the quality of my pictures. And then we have this heart hanging exactly over the wall, and look at that pendant bedside lamp. That pendant lamp is everything. Listen, Reggie always was in bed, don't pay attention to that, but this is a queen size bed with, it comes with a phone, and we get another 2 bottles of water. It's really cute. It's giving more than $90. It's really giving more than $90, trust me. All right, let me give you a glance at the view. This is the view. Please note that this is not like a tropical hotel where you expect to like see outside, so don't get excited for that. So this is the view. You can get a little glimpse of Mumbai. So this is Mumbai. I love how just big this is. Look at this. Can you imagine waking up to a sunrise like this? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It has its nice little Indian charm to it. It's really nice. It is like 8 a.m. in India right now while I'm filming. So, you know, you're seeing what the city looks like at 9 a.m. So went for dinner, and here is a glance at the menu. You can just take it all in. The price is quoted in rupees. Of course, I don't remember the name of the restaurant. I'm sorry about that, but it is in the hotel on the 2nd floor. So they have the international dining section where, you know, you have sandwiches, pastas, this, that, regular things that you would have been used to coming from Jamaica or the Caribbean. They also have a rich Asian section, which I really did appreciate, and they also have the Indian section. We opt to, you know, say mix it and get something from that we're used to, and also got some of the Indian cuisine after all. all, we're in India, why not? So this is Rajay ordering his food. I'm so proud of him because trust me, he was able to understand the server thick accent, and he did a really good job. Not so much on my part, I guess he had to keep repeating exactly what I was saying. So I got a cappuccino coffee and it was good. It was a little bit stronger than I expect, and he got a foamy chocolate tea. I don't remember the name of the tea, but it's Indian tea. And then I got the chicken kalapuli. I don't remember if it's the correct name, that kalapuli. If I'm not pronouncing it correctly, please don't beat me. But this was weird. And I'm gonna say, look at the richness. Look at the richness. It's like it to me. It reminds me of butter chicken somewhat. So it is like chicken submerged with all these sauces, all this not sauces but season, and it was really good. I really love that rich thick sauce that is in, and it is served with naan. And you can see me, I go to work on a butter naan. I chose to take the butter naan because I've never had it in Jamaica. I've only had the classic one. I'm gonna go to work right now. I'm rewatching the video, doing this voiceover. I'm about to run water when I tell you that this chicken kalapuli and the naan was a vibe, girl. 10 out of 10 will recommend. It was everything, trust me. To all me love it, I ask man for more. I never shame. I ask man, Mr. Sir, can I have some more, please? Can I have some more, sir? Like Charlie from the Chocolate Factory. Yeah, so this is a close-up view of my plate. As I said, the sauce was rich and thick, and I love it. Rajay got this vegetarian sandwich. It is like lentil, peas, beans smushed with some sauce. I don't remember the correct name. What's the name of the thing? So the name of Rajay's sandwich was the Bombay toast, and it was busting, okay? It came with vegetables, and he also got some pasta to pair with it. I got this lychee drink. It was good. Really spicy though. I think spice is incorporated in everything. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to see more tips. We'll be in India for a minute. Okay? All right. Please go ahead and follow me on TikTok at Vaney. That's Vaneymorgy, Morgy. Thank you so much again. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the $94 for the 2-night room. Tell me what y'all think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.